Hi, welcome to our new project. We are looking at fairly and repeatedly testing the fabrics used in outdoor clothing. We'll also be testing some of the not so commonly used fabrics, such as cotton, to see if the ideas around them stack up. This is our improvised wind tunnel. As you can see, it's just an old computer case that I've blocked up all the holes on, and I've left one cooling fan for it to cool our analog. Our analog is just a pot full of water with a sensor in the middle of the water. Not on the edges of the pot, but in the middle of the water. So we will wrap this in the fabric, or layers of fabric, depending on what we do, and we'll close it in. We will then record how long it takes to go from 35 to 30 degrees Celsius. We also write on the box, we write what kind of fabric it is. At the moment it's new because we're testing some baselines. We record the ambient temperature and the humidity so we can adjust the results later to suit our ambient.
Here is how we will record our results. We will record the material we used, whether it was wet or dry, the time it took to cool down, the ambient temperature, the ambient humidity, and this will let us calculate the enthalpy of the ambient air. We'll also calculate the enthalpy difference between the hot water and the air that it's been blowing over, and we'll use a little bit of math to adjust our time to suit our ambient. This gives us the ability to test in summer, winter, all kinds of different conditions, and still have a result that is comparable to each other.
We hope to find some interesting results with this. I'm personally interested in testing layering systems and how different layering systems will affect our results. We've put our feelers out to try and get some sample fabrics, but if any of you have anything you'd like to send us to test, please send us an email or comment below and we'll get in touch. I look forward to the results from this and look forward to having some comments and ideas around what we can test.